There was a king. He had his right-hand man who always accompanied him in every trip, in everything. One time, and this man has a habit. Every time something happened with the king, this man says, قدر الله ما شاء فعل, خير إن شاء الله, خير إن شاء الله. The king gets irritated from him because sometimes there are things that are bad and he keeps saying خير إن شاء الله. Long story short, one time they went hunting. And during the hunting journey, the king hurt his finger. They rushed him back to the palace and they have to cut his finger. So the minister said, قدر الله ما شاء فعل خير إن شاء الله. He said, where is the khayr in cutting my finger? A king with a hand with 4 fingers, take him to jail. As they're taking him to jail, he said, خير إن شاء الله قدر الله ما شاء فعل. The next day, the king went into a journey, and this is the first time ever he goes without his right-hand man, his minister. As he's going, he got lost, and he was caught by a tribe, and the habit of that tribe is that every time they catch a stranger, they slaughter him for their ilah, for their god. So they caught him and they taking him to slaughter him. The inspector came. They said, check him, make sure he is worthy with our God. They checked him, they found the finger missing. He said, he's not worthy, let him go.